Top of the hour, this is Weather Center Live, and this is your Thanksgiving travel headquarters. I'm meteorologist Chris Warren.
And I'm meteorologist Liana Brackett. It's every 10 minutes we'll have the travel forecast so you know what to expect headed out for the holiday.
And it starts with impacts today. We're seeing some snow, wind, and rain in several areas across the country.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the southeast. And for travel, you will be seeing some lingering impacts of that front that Carl was just showing us. But Atlanta, taking a look at some stats from AAA, the worst travel day actually Wednesday evening. Check out the timing right there. You do not want to be on the road between 3 and 5:30 p.m. The trouble routes are I-75, both north and the next couple of days. We're talking Saturday and Sunday. Closer look at Marquette, Michigan. Saturday night is when you can expect that snow early in the evening. Sunday you dry up, but check out those temperatures. Definitely supports some more snow to develop. And sure enough, it does come Sunday night with those temperatures getting into a chilly 18 degrees. This is the big picture. We have an upper level cold and low pressure system that's going to be funneling in some cold air. It's going to be diving south. With that said, all that cold air is going to be overriding the very warm lakes, and that will bring in a lot of lake effect snow. We're talking about a couple inches as this cold air moves over it. That snow develops across the area, and again, it can change. It can change depending on where that wind goes, but that's where it's so interesting and so fascinating. So starting 3 a.m. Sunday, we see those temperatures a little too warm to really support any snow to develop. It really doesn't kick in until around noon Sunday in Erie, Cleveland, Buffalo, Traverse City getting close, and Marquette seeing that chance for lake effect snow. It continues into Sunday, early Monday morning as well, and then you notice Buffalo, Erie still in the same exact spots that we just saw the day before. You're still seeing it, and we end out by 5 p.m. So as far as how much snow you can expect, it ranges, of course, 1 inch to even 4 inches. Right now, we're looking at lots of scattered pockets of green, and that's showing the rain that's impacting the area. So if you look outside in La Crosse, it's raining outside your door. Green Bay, just a few scattered showers, I should say, and maybe a little bit further north, we're looking at a mix of rain and snow across the parts of the Great Lakes region. We're looking at the big picture here, lots of cloud cover. Things will get a little bit more active as we get through this afternoon and evening and continues into tomorrow. So kicking off our future radar, we're looking at Friday 6 p.m. Your evening commute is going to be a wet one, Chicago. We're looking at that yellow color, and that means it's going to be some moderate rainfall that's going to be impacting you. It continues. It lightens up a little bit for Chicago by 8 a.m. Saturday, and then we're seeing another round of showers and colder air moving in across the region. Behind it, maybe even some pockets of snow across parts of Illinois. And then Indianapolis seeing some waves of rain. Same with Detroit as we get into Saturday night. By Sunday morning around 1 a.m. we're looking at clearer skies. Maybe a few tendrils of lake effect snow, though, developing across the Great Lakes. We're looking at your forecast, Chicago. Friday night, those thunderstorms push through. And then Saturday, we have that rain that still remains. And then by Saturday night, it dries up. Chris?